Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Building with LangGraph. Designing robust and autonomous AI systems. Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool called LangGraph that helps us build smarter, more reliable AI systems. Imagine you want to build an AI that doesn't just answer a simple question, but can actually follow a series of steps, make decisions, and even use different tools. Much like a skilled assistant following a detailed recipe. That's exactly what LangGraph helps us achieve, moving beyond simple commands to creating truly intelligent workflows. You might have interacted with ICE that answer questions or generate text. But what if the task is more complex? Like, find the best flight, book it, and then send me the confirmation. A single AI brain can't do all that in one go. It needs to search for flights. Step 1. Compare prices. Step 2. Make a booking. Step 3. And then notify you. Step 4. Each step might require different skills or tools. We need a way to orchestrate these steps, ensuring they happen in the right order, and allowing the AI to make choices along the way. Think of it like a blueprint for a house, rather than just a single brick. This is where LangGraph comes in. LangGraph is a library that allows developers to define multi-step, agentic workflows for AI applications. In simple terms, it's like a special drawing board where you can map out exactly how your AI system should think and act. It helps you design a sequence of operations, decisions, and actions, making your AI more capable and robust instead of a single AI trying to do everything. LangGraph lets you build a team of specialized AI agents and tell them exactly how to collaborate. How do we draw this workflow? LangGraph uses two core concepts: nodes and edges. Think of nodes as individual tasks or actions your AI can perform. This could be, ask the user a question, search the internet, run a calculation, or generate a summary. These are like the individual Lego bricks. Edges are the connections between these nodes, showing the path or flow of information. An edge tells the AI, after completing this task, node, go to that task, node. So, you connect the Lego bricks to build a structure. What makes LangGraph truly powerful is its ability to manage state and create cycles. State is simply all the information your AI system knows at any given moment, like the current question, previous answers, search results, or the booking details. This state gets passed from node to node. Cycles mean your AI can make decisions based on the current state and choose to go back to an earlier step if needed. For example, if a flight search doesn't find anything, the AI can decide to cycle back and try a different set of dates. This allows for truly dynamic and interactive behavior, just like in a game where your choices, edges, change the game's situation, state, and you might replay a level, cycle, if you fail. Now, let's talk about robust and autonomous. A robust AI system is one that can handle unexpected situations, errors, or changes without breaking down. Because you define clear steps and decision points with LangGraph, your AI can be programmed to retry, escalate, or find alternative paths if something goes wrong. An autonomous AI is one that can operate with minimal human intervention, making its own decisions and using its tools intelligently. LangGraph enables this by giving your AI the structure to think through problems, decide which tool to use, and execute complex plans independently. It's like giving your assistant not just tasks, but the logic to solve problems when they arise. From a developer's perspective, working with LangGraph involves defining Python functions for each node, task, and then using LangGraph's simple API to define how these nodes connect, edges, and under what conditions. You essentially program the flow of intelligence. You tell your AI, if this condition is met, do A, otherwise, do B. It's a structured way to build very sophisticated AI applications, making complex AI logic manageable and clear. You're building a control panel for your AI's brain. With LangGraph, you can build incredible things. Advanced chatbots that can hold long, multi-turn conversations and use external APIs. Autonomous agents that can research complex topics, summarize findings, and even generate reports. Or intelligent systems that can automate complex business processes. The possibilities are vast. You're essentially empowering your AI to become a truly intelligent, decision-making, and proactive agent that can tackle real-world challenges effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.